Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to save an Excel file to a CSV file format. But before we dive in, let's first understand what a CSV file is and why it's important to use. Before we continue, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscription button below. Give a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. Alright, so what is a CSV file? CSV stands for comma separated values. It is a simple file format used to store tabular data like a spreadsheet or a database. Each line in a CSV file represents a row, and each value is separated by a comma. So why are CSV files important? CSV files are widely used because they are 1. Lightweighted, that is, they take up less storage space compared to Excel files. 2. They are versatile, they can be opened and edited by almost any text editor. Also 3. They are compatible, meaning that many applications such as data analysis software, database systems, and programming languages support CSV format. So when do we use CSV files? CSV files are ideal when you want to 1. Share data between different systems or software. 2. Import or export data in applications like R, Python, SPSS, or database. Also, it works with structure, tabular data in a simple format. Now, what are the softwares that support CSV files? CSV files are supported by spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and other softwares. So also, text editors like Notepad and other text editors support CSV file. Also, data analysis tools like R, Python, SPSS, and Stata support CSV file. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to do a quick one. It's going to be a quick one, and I'll be showing you how to save your file in Excel in CSV format. So to do this, let us quickly go to our Excel. So I have my Excel here and open. So while my Excel waits, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscription below, and you can also give it. You can also drop your comment in the comment section if you have any need for that. Now this is my Excel spreadsheet. So quickly, I'm going to type in some information. So let's say we have books, and we have. Okay, let's say we have a number of books, numbers of books. Then I am having let's say amount. All right, so let's say we're having this various information in Excel. All right, so you know this amount, I can actually make this a currency. So it's now amount. Just instead of, so Excel is now treating it as an amount instead of just a number. So I want to save this as CSV format. So what I will do is to go to File, Save As. So under this window, this pop-up window here, you can now choose the directory you want your file to be saved. So let's say desktop, and save as type. I would save this as comma delimited. So we're having it here, CSV comma delimited. So that is what we are using. So note, you can, yeah, so let's just do that. Okay, But then if you are in Microsoft Word, you could save as any other format, as PDF or whatever format you wish to. So, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're looking at comma delimited CSV. So having done this, we can change our file name. Let's say new info. Then we are saving it on our desktop. So having done this, we will just save. So all this box, I will check it here. Yes. So having done that, let's go and check whether our file is on our desktop. So this is my desktop here. You can see that new info is saved. Now how would you know that this is a CSV file? You see it has an A here. So this is how you save a CSV file in Excel, and you can now from here import your data into R, Python, and continue with your analysis. So thank you. This is where I'm going to be matching the break for this tutorial. In my next tutorial, we are going to look at how to create a live table in Python. Thanks for